How did key court cases shape employee layoff rights? Imagine losing your job and feeling unsure about whether it was fair or legal. Over the years, court cases have helped define what protections workers have when facing layoffs. These legal decisions set the rules that employers and employees must follow. They help prevent unfair dismissals and make sure everyone is treated fairly during layoffs. One major way courts have influenced layoff rights is by clarifying that layoffs cannot be used as a cover for illegal discrimination or retaliation. For example, if an employee complains about harassment or discrimination and then gets laid off, courts have ruled that this could be retaliation. Supreme Court decisions have confirmed that workers are protected from being fired for speaking up about illegal activities or unfair treatment. This protection applies whether the complaint was made verbally or in writing. Employers who fire someone to punish them for protected activity violate the law. Courts have also made it easier for workers to prove discrimination in layoffs. Instead of needing to show that the harm was very serious, employees now only need to prove that there was some harm related to their job. This change lowers the bar for employees to challenge layoffs that might be based on race, gender, or other protected categories. It means that even minor adverse effects can be enough to support a claim of discrimination. Another important ruling involves what is called constructive discharge. This happens when an employee resigns because working conditions have become so bad that they feel forced to leave. Courts have decided that if the environment is intolerable and the employee leaves because of it, the resignation can be treated as a firing. This allows the worker to file wrongful termination or retaliation claims even if they technically quit. Courts have also addressed procedural rules, like the need to file complaints with agencies such as the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission before suing. Some courts see this as a requirement that must be met before going to court, while others see it as a step that employers can waive. This affects how and when workers can bring claims related to layoffs. Finally, Supreme Court decisions have clarified that agencies can carry out large layoffs legally if they follow the rules. These rulings emphasize that while employee rights are protected, layoffs are sometimes lawful when done properly. Employers must document their reasons and follow legal procedures to avoid liability. All these court decisions shape how layoffs are handled today. They protect employees from unfair practices and ensure employers follow fair procedures. These rulings influence the entire employment process, from the start of employment to the moment of termination. They help create a balance where workers are protected from discrimination and retaliation, even during layoffs.